In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use video clips on Slack. We'll walk through the entire process step by step to ensure you can start sharing video messages with your team in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Slack website. Once you're there, the next thing you should do is locate the Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. It's pretty straightforward and a familiar step if you've ever signed into a platform online before. Click on that Sign In button and you'll be presented with a few options on how to log into your Slack workspace. An easy and convenient method is by using your Google account. Simply click on Google, and if you're like many people with a Gmail account, you'll find this approach very seamless. Go ahead and log in. You may be prompted to authorize Slack to access your Google account, so just follow those prompts if they appear. Once you're signed in, navigate your way to the Home tab of Slack. This is where you can access different channels and conversations within your workspace. Moving along, you'll want to head over to your desired channel. This can be a team channel or a private message, depending on where you'd like to share your video. Now, at the bottom of your chat window, you'll notice a video icon. Clicking this will kickstart the process of recording a fresh video message. Go ahead and click that video icon. Here, you'll find an option to record. This is where the magic happens. So, click on record whenever you're ready to start capturing your message. Remember, it's just like having a conversation face-to-face, but through video, so feel free to be yourself and convey whatever message you wish. After you've finished recording your clip and you're satisfied you've communicated your message effectively, you'll want to click on the Stop button. This will cease the recording and lead you to the next step. Following this, you'll see a Done button. Go ahead and click on it to wrap up the video recording session. Finally, to share your video with your team, simply press Enter or click the Send option available in the interface. And just like that, your video message will be on its way to your colleagues. With these easy steps, you can integrate video communication into your Slack interactions, making your messages more personable and engaging. I hope you found this guide useful and you'll be recording and sending video clips on Slack with confidence. Thanks for watching.